Hello everyone. Today we're reviewing a fully automatic multimeter, model Aneng M118A. Many people are interested in this multimeter for similar reasons. First, it's small and very portable. Second, it only costs $10, which is really cheap. Many folks think that getting a multimeter like this for occasional use is a great choice. Now let's test some of its basic functions and performance. Let's start by measuring a 5V DC voltage. I think its speed is okay. Not very fast. Now let's measure 10V. This is a multimeter based on the 0660 series chip, so its range switching speed is a bit slow. Let's check the resistance mode. We'll measure a 100 ohm resistor. First measure 1K, then 10K. Accuracy is still pretty good. Testing 1 megohm. Let's check the continuity mode speed. Like many earlier auto-ranging multimeters, the reaction in continuity mode is a bit slow, because it has a process to automatically identify the range, so its response speed is a bit slower. For instance, just a normal touch. It has no reaction at all. We can manually switch to check the on-off range. It's on-off. There's a delay, meaning there's a delay after it's disconnected. See? After removing the probe, it will keep sounding for a while. So I feel the response speed is average. Let's check the capacitance range. We need to manually switch to the capacitance range. These fully automatic multimeters often just use a selection button to choose the range, so you have to cycle through many ranges to get to the range you need. If you accidentally overshoot, you'll need to start over. A bit cumbersome. Let's measure a 1 microfarad capacitor. Speed is okay. The accuracy is also good. 10 microfarads is a bit slow. Measuring a small capacitor, 100 nanofarads. Now let's look at the current range. It has an auto-detect feature. When measuring current in the plug, it will switch to current mode once it detects a minimum value. It will automatically switch to the current setting. Right now, I'm inputting a 10 milliamp current. There's no response. It's still in auto mode. Let's go to 20 milliamps. Still no response. We'll keep increasing the current. 21, 22. When I output a 22 milliamp current, it finally detected the current function. It switched to the current mode automatically. Overall, this small meter is decent. Also, many people might think that a fully automatic multimeter is the safest type, because it seems like it automatically identifies without error. But that's not the case. The fully automatic mode relies on a signal to identify the gear. Under some complex signals, it might get interfered with, like some signals bouncing back and forth. This can cause the program to switch gears erratically, leading to potential errors. Later, I'll show a test video using this meter too. Measure 380 volts, and then conduct a more extreme test. From the test, you can see that during frequent measurements of 380, the gear switching of this meter became chaotic, causing random frequent restarts. In fact, this test also caused the resistor to break down the triac protection. So, the fully automatic multimeter is not completely reliable. Finally, thank you all for watching.